From exclusive crew-only areas to the craziest dance parties at sea, we're going to uncover some of the most random facts about cruise ships you may not know. Have you ever heard of a silent disco? It's a unique experience that's becoming more and more popular on cruise ships. The silent disco is often featured during one of the deck parties. Guests are provided with a pair of wireless headphones that can be tuned to various stations. And just like radio stations, each channel plays a different genre of music. This allows guests to choose the type of music they want to hear and switch to a new style of music whenever the mood strikes. The Norwegian Bliss has the largest laser tag arena at sea, called the Galaxy Pavilion. It's a 10,000 square foot indoor facility located on the ship's top deck. This arena features laser tag, virtual reality experiences, interactive video walls, and other arcade-style games. The arena can accommodate up to 10 players and offers a variety of games and difficulty levels. If there's one place you definitely don't want to visit during your cruise vacation, it's the Brig. The Brig is a holding cell where passengers or crew can be detained if they commit a crime on board the ship. The use of the Brig is rare, but for serious crimes, such as theft or assault, it may be used to hold the offender until the ship reaches its next port of call.
Pillage the village!
If you're looking for a swashbuckling evening of fun, then look no further than Disney Cruise Lines. Select Disney ships feature a pirate night that starts with a special pirate-themed dinner. Dishes served in the restaurants are inspired by the high seas and include options like Caribbean jerk chicken and Blackbeard's barbecue pork ribs. Keeping with the theme, the dining room is transformed into a pirate's den, and the staff and Disney characters are dressed in their pirate best. After dinner, passengers can enjoy a pirate-themed show featuring live music and entertainment. One of the biggest attractions on the Carnival horizon are its water slides, and one of the most popular slides is the Green Thunder. The Green Thunder is a high-speed water slide that features a unique launch system that literally drops the rider by removing the floor under their feet. The slide itself is over 800 feet long, making it one of the longest water slides at sea. Passengers on a Disney cruise rotate between 3 main restaurants during their cruise. Each restaurant has a different theme and menu, allowing guests to experience a variety of dining options and atmospheres. Guests are assigned to one of 3 restaurants their first night on board, and then they rotate to a new restaurant each night until they've eaten at all of them. Their serving team also rotates with them, so guests get the consistency of seeing the same crew members each night. Cruise ships typically have a range of facilities and amenities available for the crew to use during their time on board. These facilities include a crew mess hall, crew lounge, and crew bar. As you've probably guessed, the crew mess hall is where crew members eat their meals. It's typically a cafeteria-type service offering a wide variety of food options. The crew lounge is a social area where crew members can relax and watch TV. And, you guessed it, the crew bar is exclusively for use by crew members. In addition to these facilities, some cruise lines also offer other amenities such as onboard training programs, language classes, and crew excursions during ports of call. And there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this brief journey into some incredibly random facts about cruise ships. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the like button. Thanks for watching. To learn more about the fascinating world of cruise ships, check out one of the videos on the screen.